Crystal ball, tell me, what will the spring market bring? As you can tell, my crystal ball is not working. Hi, I'm Tim Tyler from Coldwell Banker Realty in Maplewood, New Jersey. And if you've been a regular viewer of my market updates, you can probably already tell that my crystal ball hasn't been working. You might even remember when I said this winter, this is not like the spring market of last year. We're not going to see 20, 30 offers crazy over asking. Well, that lasted, about a minute. And it did teach me a thing or two about trying to predict the future. So today, I'm going to focus on the current market. Yes, we are again in one of those markets where you are getting 20 or 30 offers for many properties, and some are selling significantly above asking. With one client that I've been working with in Union County at around $400,000, since the beginning of this year, houses that have closed for about 2.5% above asking. But that masks the fact that some have gone for as much as 9% above asking, and yes, a few of them have actually gone for under asking. Homes that aren't in tip-top shape, they aren't selling nearly as well as those that are freshly renovated, freshly painted, everything's all done. So it depends a little bit on what you're looking for and what you're willing to take. But yes, we are in a market where a lot of homes are selling well above asking, multiple offers. Today I want to focus a little bit on what would need to happen in order for that to change. And there are really two things. One, the demand would need to fall, or two, the supply would have to rise. So we'll start with demand. As you've all likely heard by now, a couple of weeks ago, the federal fund rate was raised by 1/4 of an interest point to only the second lowest interest rate ever in its history. Yes, this is not a huge crisis. However, all indications are that interest rates are going to continue to rise throughout this year, and maybe even at a faster pace than they've started to. That could potentially help to dampen demand some. However, there are still an awful lot of people who are looking for homes, and interest rates are not really all that high, even with this rate. And even if, as they're saying, we see, 6 interest rate hikes this year, there's still going to be, maybe at the end of this year, close to the 40 or 50-year average. On the supply side, there's another story to tell. We've seen that we've had a general lowering of the number of cases of COVID, and that may help to make more sellers willing to let people into their homes. That will help to increase inventory, as does the fact that we're coming into the spring market, which traditionally does see more homes enter the market. However, we do have a lot of sellers who are still concerned about if they sell their home, where are they going to go? So that's going to continue to keep somewhat of a lid on the inventory as well. So, current market, yes, we are very much in a very strong seller's market. Homes are selling with often multiple offers well above asking, although not every home is. And on the demand side, demand still seems to be pretty strong, although it's very price sensitive and it's very much focused on the top homes in the market, those that are in excellent shape, no issues. So if you are thinking of buying or selling a home, I am here. I am still out there, and I will be happy to help you with your real estate needs. Again, I'm Tim Tyler from Coldwell Banker Real Estate in Maplewood, New Jersey, and you can reach me at 973-462-4079. Have a great day. Okay, then what about the Yankees? My lottery numbers? Ah!